this ladybug in my car. So beautiful ladybug. Yeah, so precious. Yes, I remember when I was 5 years old in my country, Vietnam, we used to always preserve the living things in the home, and we talk to the bugs and just for relaxation because they really friendly. And as part of my childhood growing up in Vietnam, my mom's had to raise 7 children, and she worked really hard in days out and in to support my family. Especially my dad was when the war break out in 1975, he has to leave the country Vietnam and go to America. So my mom has to take care of 7 children, and I didn't have an education in Vietnam because a lot of different children, and the teaching in Vietnam are very disciplined, and they very mean. Especially the teachers are very mean. They use rulers to hit on the hands of the children if they don't answer the right questions to history or any other subjects in the classroom. So I kind of I feel like going to school is like a wall that that the teachers are very abusive at school, and they make fun of me in front of other students if I don't remember all